Welcome to the future of hospitality. Welcome to Tritech, the largest and most trusted HVAC-R provider in Bangladesh. From the iconic Radisson Blu to the serene ocean paradise, from the vibrant Cox Today to the elegant Saiman Beach Resort, Tritech has transformed the HVAC landscape of over 20 prestigious hotel projects. Our portfolio boasts some of the most renowned hotels, including Hotel Radisson Blu, Hotel Ocean Paradise, Hotel Cox Today, Saiman Beach Resort, Hotel Best Western, the Peninsula Chittagong, Hotel Tower Inn, Maple Leaf Hotel, Green Nature Resort, Hotel Grand Pacific, and the upcoming Hilton Dhaka. At Tritech, we offer the global #1 oil-free chiller, Smardt from Australia, cutting chiller electricity bills by an impressive 50%. Alongside, we provide the most advanced electric chillers and VRF AC systems tailored for the hospitality industry. Why do top hotels choose Tritech? Because we are the best in central air conditioning, delivering unmatched energy efficiency, reliability, and guest comfort. For unparalleled HVAC solution, trust Tritech, the best, the #1. Tritech, elevating hospitality excellence.